Welcome back. Controversial Justice C. Karnan finally appeared today before the Supreme Court. This after a contempt case was made against him. It was a virtual face-off in the court with both sides accusing each other. While the suspended Calcutta High Court judge sought permission to be allowed to return to work, the Supreme Court bench, headed by the Chief Justice of India, questioned him on his mental condition, even asking for a doctor's certificate whether he was mentally fit. In fact, the judge in return made it absolutely clear that he will not appear for further hearings till his work was restored.
At the first instance, they imposed punishment on me not to attend the judicial work and administrative work. Without hearing my say, the Honorable Judges passed that impugned order, which is against the principle of natural justice and also against the prime Articles 1421 of the Constitution. Against that order, I won't file an appeal where there is no appeal forum. Therefore, the Honorable Judges with the malafide intention constitute the bench and harassing me continuously. I am not satisfied with the Honorable Judges' judicial order. Against that order, I won't file an appeal where there is no appeal forum. Therefore, the Honorable Judges with the malafide intention constitute the bench and harassing me continuously. I am not satisfied with the Honorable Judges' judicial order.
Let's go straight across to India today's Anusha for more on this. Anusha, Justice Karnan may have been stripped of his judicial and administrative work, but he continues to remain defiant and combative.
That's true, Vandika, and in fact I must point out the 7 top judges of the Supreme Court which sat in the bench today were very restrained as far as taking action against Justice Karnan is concerned. They asked him repeatedly what his intentions really were. He gave a written note to the bench in which he says that I give an unconditional apology, and then he made oral submissions which were completely contradictory. In his oral submissions he said that he stands by what he said and the case must be heard on its merit. He was not given the due chance. He continues to be a sitting judge of the High Court, though no work is given to him, and in that spirit he also said that the Constitution gives him protection and the court cannot call him like that. However, it is clear that the Supreme Court right now wants to remain restrained, give him 4 weeks more time to engage an advocate, and if that doesn't happen, the Supreme Court may take action further. That has been the view of the Attorney General also. Attorney General was very clear that Justice Karnan in fact has no mental or any sort of issues with his mental stability or his mental fitness.
All right, Anusha, thanks so much for joining us.